but here is the inside of my U-part wig. As you guys can see, I added 2 clips at the top, 2 clips at the bottom. In the past I had a clip here, but I find sometimes like it starts to rub here and I don't like that at all. It's like the worst thing, so uncomfy in your head. But when I do my U-part, I like it like this. I try to leave out enough hair at the top because I find it looks more natural that time. And then I leave out a lot of my edges. That way it can blend in easy, flatten my hair on top. But we'll get right into that, guys. And I'll also list who I got my hair from. I got my hair from a vendor in Toronto. But yeah, guys, let's get into this U-part installation.
I've been sipping since I've been too young, like me, baby girl. I've been popping and I've been rolling since I was 17. I've been geeking on that water. I want you, I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you, I want your number. I'll call you back if that head right, baby. I won't love you, and I can't love you unless that pussy got some superpowers. I want you, I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you, woke up in the kitchen, say that I'll take this shit up and I'll baby.
Okay guys, so here we have the finished product. I was gonna go in and kind of fix the curls and stuff, but we'll do that another time. And you know what I call this weave? It's called an Insta wig.